Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we got a car meet going. We got my G over there, looking clean. Got all the VQs out tonight. Got another G and Q right there. Got the Omi whip. Got the Q. Got another G right here. Another Q. Got the Omi Q over here. Got another G right there. And another one right there. Needs washing this. So yeah guys, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. And let me know what VQ is your favorite. Or everything, which one would you guys pick? Got the Omi G over here. Okay guys, so I'm at the light right now. We got the Omis behind me. Got the Omi in the G right there. And the Omi with the Q is at the back. So right now we're going to the meet. On our way to the meet. Right now I need a alignment. You can see the steering wheel like this. I'm gonna have to get an alignment. Got the Omi with the red G right there. So right now I'm only driving with one hand. Don't try this at home guys. Let me know what you guys think about the A-pillar. And soon I'm gonna do stars in the roof and all of that shit. But yeah. See, I got the same shit. The arts. Yeah. You got the Genesis over there. You got the Supra right here. Fast guy. Got the Z.
Oh, he about to put Meisters on it.
What?
The Meisters, the work wheels?
Yeah. Okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. And peace.